we're going to take a look at two confusing words. What are they, you ask? Stationary and stationary. They look exactly the same. Yes, but this one ends in ARY and this one is an adjective. What? Yeah, with an ARY at the end, stationary with the A is an adjective. Remember, A, an adjective, meaning not moving, lacking motion, incapable of being moved. Oh, okay. Now, stationary with the E at the end, with the ERY, stationary, bum, 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 bum. That is a noun, and that means commercially produced paper, envelopes, pens, and things to write letters with. Does anyone still write letters? Good question. But stationary with an A is an adjective. Stationary with an E is a noun. Why does English have so many words that are so close together, sound exactly the same, and have totally different meanings? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. When we were at the stationery store, the clerk remained stationary behind the counter. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with stationary? Either one. Peace, friend.